What's going on, everybody? Everything credit here. So as you can see, this guy signed up Saturday. Excuse me. And these are just a few text messages back and forth. They say that portfolio recovery is tough to remove, and they just threatened to sue or something is what I was reading. Portfolio is not near as hard as LVN funding, which is living funding. A couple more text messages. This is just today now. His score did go down. Portfolio recovery and living funding within just a few days. Now, this client here, I did fax and upload everything, so that's why he got this before the letters, which they would have received the letters today.